We are the Gujarat Technological University. Since its inception over a decade ago, GTU has been empowering young and curating minds to realize their true potential. Over 4 lakh inspired students are enrolled with one of the premier academic universities in India. With more than 450 affiliated colleges in its fold operating across 5 zones of the state, GTU, the International Innovative University, your place to move forward.
Hello dear friends, myself is Roshni Parikh and today we are going to learn about the types of induced EMF. Now in a previous lecture we have seen about the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction. Suppose if you want to recall the theory, then just go to the YouTube inbox and search for the Faraday's law of electromagnetic induction by Roshni Parikh and you will get the link. Now today's we are going to learn about the how many types of induced EMF are there. Now before start about it, just recall the Faraday's first law. Now Faraday's law is regarding the electromagnetic induction, and what is the statement of first law? So when any conductor cut the magnetic field, EMF is induced in that conductor. Or you can say okay, if there is a change in a flux linkage with a coil, at that time EMF is induced in that coil. That is the statement of Faraday's first law. Faraday's फर्स्ट लॉ का स्टेटमेंट ये है कि यदि कोई कंडक्टर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को कट करता है तो उस कंडक्टर में ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होता है. सेम वे यदि कोई कॉइल है और कॉइल के साथ लिंकेज फ्लक्स में यदि फेरफार होता है तो उस कॉइल में ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होता है. नाउ हाउ मेनी टाइप्स ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ आर देयर? तो बेसिकली 2 टाइप्स ऑफ इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ आर देयर, डायनेमिकली इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ एंड स्टैटिकली इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ. Now what is a dynamically induced EMF? Dynamically induced EMF means a EMF induced in a coil due to the relative movement between a coil and the magnetic flux. Then the EMF is called a dynamically induced EMF. Means what? Okay, suppose if a coil is a stationary and there is a magnetic field is a rotating and EMF induced in a coil, at that time that EMF is said to be a dynamically induced EMF. Or suppose if a coil is a rotating and the magnetic field is a stationary, then the EMF induced in a coil is said to be a dynamically induced EMF. Now what is a statically induced EMF? The EMF is induced in a coil by itself, or suppose EMF is induced in a nearby coil due to the change in a flux in the first one coil, then the EMF is called a statically induced EMF. Means there is a no relative movement between a coil and a magnetic flux. Now statically induced EMF are 2 types, self-induced EMF and mutually induced EMF. Now today we are going to learn the self-induced EMF and mutual induced EMF in a brief. Now what is a self-induced EMF? So suppose one coil having a n numbers of turn wound over a one solenoid and that coil is connected across the supply. Here a variable resistor is there to vary the resistance, and by varying the resistance you can vary the value of a current. Now suppose when the coil is connected across the supply, at that time current starts to flowing through the coil and the magnetic flux is set up around the coil. Now by varying the resistance you can vary, means you can increase or decrease the value of a current, and by changing the value of a current you can change the value of a flux. So the flux linkage with the coil is a change, and due to that change in a flux linkage EMF is induced in this coil. That EMF is called a self-induced EMF. EMF is induced in a coil by changing its own flux. Then that EMF is called a self-induced EMF, and the magnitude of self-induced EMF is given by the Faraday's second law, which is E is equal to minus N d phi by dt, where N that is the number of turns of a coil and d phi by dt that is the rate of change of flux. Now what is the minus sign? So minus sign represents the Lenz's law, and Lenz's law means what? Okay, what is the statement of Lenz law? Means it opposes the cause which produced it. मीन्स के जिसके कारण इसमें ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होता है उसी कारण का वो अपोज करता है. यहाँ पे ईएमएफ इंड्यूस किसके कारण होता है? तो ड्यू टू द चेंज इन अ फ्लक्स. फ्लक्स का चेंज किसके कारण होता है? तो ड्यू टू द चेंज इन अ करंट. तो चेंज इन अ करंट के कारण ही इसमें ईएमएफ इंड्यूस्ड होता है, तो वो उसका ही अपोज करता है. जो इंड्यूस्ड ईएमएफ होता है वो चेंज ऑफ द करंट का ही अपोज करता है. That's why minus sign is here. So the property of a coil to oppose the change in a current, that is called as self-inductance, which is represented by a L. Now, what is a mutually induced EMF? So see, here are two coils are there. One coil is placed nearby the first one. Now see here, one coil is connected across the supply and second one is connected across the 1 meter is there, either a ammeter or a galvanometer, which shows the deflection when the current flowing through the coil. Now what happen when coil is connected? Here a coil A and coil B. Coil B is placed near a coil A. Coil A having a NA numbers of turns and coil B having a NB numbers of turns. Now when coil A is connected across this supply, at that time what happen? Current starts to flow. And same way, if you change the value of a resistance, there is a change in a current. If there is a change in a current, there is a change in a flux, and EMF is induced in a coil A, that is called a self-induced EMF. Now some of the flux is linked with the coil B, and there is a change in a flux in a coil B also due to the change in a current in a coil A. So due to the change in a flux in a coil B, there is a EMF is induced in a coil B. That EMF is called a mutually induced EMF. And once the EMF is induced, current starts to flow through the coil B, which is shown by the deflections of the meter. Now see here, EMF, mutually induced EMF is given by E is equal to minus NB, where NB that is the numbers of turn of the coil B, and dphi by dt, that is the rate of change of flux linkage. Now what is a mutual inductance? So see here, a minus sign, that is the represents the Lenz law, means which oppose the cause which produced it, and here the cause, that is the change of a current in a coil A. So which oppose the change in a current in a coil A. The mutual inductance means the property of a coil B to oppose the change in a current of a coil A, that is called a mutual inductance. Thank you.